So this is a big kit, 30-second scale. I brought a knife for a reason. We're going to have a quick look inside. Now this is one of the better Revell kits.
How big is it? One of the better ones. What do you say? You think it's like 32 centimeters wide. 39 centimeters long. Am I reading it right?
Yeah. So just over
both of the arrows are pointing the same way.
Yep.
Did you notice that?
Oh, are they? No, this one's got a circle in the middle.
Hmm.
So that's like Darth Vader's TIE fighter.
Yeah.
It's showing the wingage bits.
Oh, so it's 39 millimeters wide. 39 centimeters
that's
wide.
Long.
Long.
That's the long edge.
And that's the wide edge.
And the diamonds must be the parts. Well, I don't know. But there we go. Here we go. We've got a box full of bits. But
whoa! That's some big wings.
The wings.
No?
And this is easy to open. So we're going to have a close look at the bits. And when I say this is one of the better ones, because Revell can be a bit hit and miss at times. Sometimes you can get some really awesome kits, and sometimes you get some real sucky kits. Not very good at all.
How do you know?
Oh, when you look at the bits.
Yeah, but what if you're just a punter buying a model?
Well, you won't know. So you really need to rely on reviews, I think.
Need to rely on you to tell them.
Let's have a look at this, and I'll show you why this is one of the better ones.
Is it safe to say that if it's at Hearns Hobbies, it's a good model?
Oh yeah, we've got some really good ones, and we've got some just good ones. Now look at the rivet detail in that.
I could count those rivets for days.
Yeah, couldn't you? It would be like watching grass grow.
What the hell part's that?
Which one? That bit? That'll be part of the spinner, I think. So it's angled like that, so the blades here lock into a particular angle.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, and then the spinner will... Actually, there's a spinner there. That'll lock on the top of there. Okay, but there's the engine cowls. They're really nice.
Does it have full engine detail?
This one I don't know.
So you can display it without the cowls?
I wouldn't think so, no. From the looks of it, it looks like it's got a dummy on the front, which is fine.
I love an engine.
I think they've concentrated a lot on the external details, which is good. You just have to be careful when you're joining parts like this, so you don't sand away all your detail. So just take care when you glue your bits together and align them as well as you can.
Can you sand the detail off?
You can. You can accidentally sand it all off, because that's really fine stuff.
But your primer's not going to fill it though, is it?
No, your primer shouldn't, unless you overdo your primer. And again, you can see these control surfaces got the same sort of amounts of crazy rivet detail. And they'll just come out with some washers. Look at that. Pretty good. You got the trim tabs on the end there too. So there's not a great deal of bits, but look at it. So there's the interior of your the wheel doors. Again, with rivets. And on the other side. It's pretty good.
Is this a late model kit, would you say?
Actually, I don't know. Let's see if we can see if there's a date on here. Here's the engine detail, so that's pretty basic. Keeps it simple, so it's easy to get everything to fit. But if you do want engine, I'm sure there's a third-party company that'll probably make a resin one that you can drop in. Doesn't look the best, but there's a good chance you won't see any of that. And you've got the exhaust. Has it got a year on it somewhere? Doesn't look like it, does it?
Can't see it.
No.
Can't see it with my eyes.
No. And you got some more fine bits. This would be parts of the cockpit frame.
Actually, lots of really tiny nice.
It's good. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes kits are just too complicated with engines and removable panels and things. And this one without that, it's still got a lot of small parts.
Yeah.
There's a
cluster.
Yep. You got different, what do you call them? Joysticky things? Hand controls. A few options, and then we got this one here.
Weighted wheels. Look at that.
It does.
Don't even have to melt them.
No. Weighted wheels is a
flat
nice touch.
spots on the bottom.
You've got the radiators.
Where's the radiators go?
It's right underneath the engine.
Oh.
So there's two. What is that? We've got options here. These look smaller than those. So you've got options on the wheels there. Lots of options in this.
Options.
Then we've got the fuselage. So you've got the interior framing as well for the cockpit. And then there's the exterior. And again, you can see all this really nice, really fine detail. It's got a real beaten look to it. You see the reflection? Super nice. And big, 30-second scale. And then we'll finally get into the wings.
Whoa. This is massive.
Yeah, they're big, aren't they? So pretty decent. So what was it? Almost 40 centimeters, right?
Mm.
Yeah. Nice texture. So there we go. And some clear bits.
And what about the decals?
Oh, the decals. The decals are left in the box, no?
Are they going to be? Are they going to have the stripes on it? No. It's just going to have.
Oh, let's see.
No.
No invasion stripes. You can paint the invasion stripes quite easily. You can either mask them, or if you see how they actually paint them, quite often they paint them really roughly with
Roller.
a roller or with a mop.
With a mop?
Yeah, really rough. Some of them were really, really rough.
Really?
Because I had to get like a whole heap of planes done very quickly. So nice. I reckon that's good.
You like it?
2020.
2020. Revell.
Printed in Italy. So they'll be cartograph
Big
decals.
cardiograph decals.
Yep. So there you go.
Crazy, isn't it? How many decals these guys must make.
Yeah, well, it's just a printing house, isn't it? And it's their specialty.
Yeah, but crikey, all good models have got cardiograph.
That's nice. It's good.
Good
I like
canopy. You like the canopy?
Yeah, I think it's good. It's not too thick.
Not too thin.
That's it.